Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mini churros. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including flour, water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Next, we'll cook the dough on the stovetop until it's smooth and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Then, transfer the warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a small star tip, ready for shaping. Once your dough is ready, carefully pipe 2-inch strips directly into hot oil, ensuring they are mini-sized. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. It's crucial to maintain your oil temperature around 350 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even cooking and prevent sogginess. This step is key for perfect texture.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these churro tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Quick recommendation, just like you wouldn't settle for bland churros, don't settle for cheap socks. Darn Tough socks offer incredible comfort and a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After frying, immediately transfer your mini churros to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a delightful cinnamon sugar mixture, ensuring every churro is coated. Serve these delicious treats right away with your favorite dipping sauces, such as rich chocolate or creamy caramel, for an unforgettable experience. For the best mini churros, always ensure your dough is cooked thoroughly on the stovetop. This prevents a raw center. When frying, avoid overcrowding the pan, as this lowers oil temperature and leads to greasy churros. Fry in small batches for optimal crispness. Also, feel free to experiment with adding a pinch of nutmeg or cardamom to your cinnamon sugar mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.